Did you know Jesus once killed a tree with just his words? Here's what really happened and why it shocked his followers. It was during Passover week when Jesus spotted a leafy fig tree. Hungry, he walked over expecting to find fruit, but there was nothing. What happened next stunned everyone watching. Jesus looked at the tree and said, "May no one ever eat fruit from you again?" His disciples were confused. Why was he so harsh with a simple tree? The next morning, they got their answer. The entire tree had withered completely, from its roots all the way to its leaves. The disciples couldn't believe their eyes. But this wasn't just about a tree. Fig trees were incredibly important in Jewish culture, representing prosperity and God's blessing. Jesus was teaching them about spiritual authenticity. The tree looked healthy and green on the outside, just like the religious leaders who appeared holy but produced no real spiritual fruit. It was a powerful lesson about being genuine in faith, not just putting on a show. Comment your views and share this with someone you love.